Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to toggle UEFI Boot Path Security on Alienware 16 Aurora laptop. First of all, you have to shut down your PC, and after it's turned off, you're gonna need to short press the power button and repeatedly click the F2 key until you see the BIOS menu appearing on your screen. Here, we're gonna have to enable advanced setup. To do that, switch the toggle next to advanced setup on, and after that, go to security tab on the sidebar. Then we're gonna have to scroll a bit down until you find a UEFI Boot Path Security option. As you can see, we have 4 available options to select from right here. So you can either make it always enabled, always accept internal HDD, always accept internal HDD and PXE boot, or we can disable this feature totally by selecting never. Once you select the option that you need, click apply changes and then click OK to confirm. And after that, to exit, you can either click exit in the bottom right corner of your screen or press escape key on your keyboard. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.